Tired of manually copying data between Jira and Salesforce? In 5 minutes, I will show you the exact integration that automates it all. We will install the connector for Salesforce and Jira app from the Marketplace, then set it up in just a few clicks. So let us get started by logging into your Jira account. Make sure you are signed in as an admin, since you will need those permissions to install apps. Once you are in, take a look at the left side panel. You will see a menu item labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now, from the drop-down that appears, you will want to click Explore More Apps. This opens up the Atlassian Marketplace, which is basically the app store for everything Jira. And trust me, I have tested quite a few of these integrations, so I know exactly which one works best for this. In the search bar at the top, type Salesforce and hit Enter. The Marketplace will immediately show you a list of available apps. Do not get overwhelmed by the options here. What you are looking for is the one called Connector for Salesforce and Jira. Go ahead and click on that one. This brings you to the app detail page. Right there in the middle of the page, you will see a green button that says Try it free. Click on that to start the installation process. And here is the really important part. The next screen will ask you to review the permissions this app needs. Take a moment to look through these. Basically, the app needs access to your Jira data so it can sync it over to Salesforce. This is standard for any integration tool like this. Click the Review button when you're ready. Finally, you will see a button that says Start Free Trial. Go ahead and click it. This activates the integration and gives you a chance to test everything out before committing. That is it. You are now connected. From here, you can configure exactly what data you want syncing between Jira and Salesforce, but that is a topic for another video. You have just saved yourself hours of manual copy and paste work, and you have eliminated those annoying errors that always seem to slip through. Give it a try and enjoy having your systems finally talk to each other.